That's tight. Yo, 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 what's up? It's your host of the season finale, That's Tight, M-Dog in the house. Tonight we're presenting our Dancer/Rapper of the Year award, and we got our two final contestants coming out to get the inside scoop. Let's welcome P. Riddy. Yeah, P. Riddy in the house. What up, M-Dog? And let's welcome B. Dizzle. Real loud for it, real loud. Let's hear it for B. Dizzle. All right. Yeah. We got to be real loud. All right. Fellas, how you feeling tonight? How you feeling?
Good.
I'm confident. Confident. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very descriptive. Okay. All right. Now, I need to ask y'all a few questions. All right, B. Dizzle, you first. How would you feel if P. Riddy were to take home the Dancer/Rapper of the Year award tonight?
You know, it's just a competition. There's other ones. So if I lose, then on to the next. That's how I feel. Woo!
All right. Yeah. Okay, now, P. Riddy?
Well, I'm pretty confident too, and I think I'm gonna win that award, but I would just copy it just in case.
Okay. All right, so, now that we got that, let's hear what else you have to pretty much yell, you know. What else you got to say? All right, so, what do you guys have to say about the show? What has this brought you? How far has this brought you in the real world?
I got people coming up to me, want my autograph, so it's pretty cool.
It's my first thing, so people know that I was supposed to be on TV, but they're excited for me. I'm not really out there yet.
What about you? Have you gotten any calls, any deals, you know?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be on the Ellen DeGeneres show, so
Okay.
pretty excited about that, and
Speaking of, have you tried the Hawaii chair?
the Hawaii chair.
You never tried the Hawaii chair. Well, fellas, you would need to look that up, YouTube it, fellas. The Hawaii chair. It'd be going like that.
Oh,
you don't
yeah.
get no work done in that.
Alright.
All right, so
I'm gonna look that up.
are y'all ready for